Hello sir, open your code, select all and copy. Now open this link, I sent it already. Paste your code in the first section here. Paste. Now click on make photos. When you click here, some fields appear like that, like photo 1, 2, 3, 4, have 10 photos and title and description. So we need to copy one by one all of them. So first of all we start the photos. So I will open your any product. Now click on image, enlarge, then right click and copy image address. Remember, copy image address, copy and paste. The second image, copy image address, paste. Now when all images is done, so for title, simply copy your title, and paste. Now for description, simply copy your description text like that, copy. Now open this tool. This tool we use to convert the text into HTML. You can write text here also, you can adding anything here. So I will paste the description. Now click on HTML. When you click here, this code is ready for eBay. So simply copy your code, copy. Now paste in description section. When everything is done, so simply click on make code. When you click here, this code is ready for eBay. So you need to simply copy this code, select all, copy and paste in eBay description section. But if you want to test it how it looks like that, simply click on preview. As you can see the images, here are images and description, title, here are the related products. I hope you understand. Now if you have 2 images, 4 images or 5 images, then uncheck the empty box. Like this one I have 4 images, so I will uncheck the box. So like that your images will be preview only 4. So again click on make code and then preview. So as you can see now only 4 images are appear. But if you do not uncheck and your box will be empty like this one, so I will again make code and again preview. So as you can see the 5th box is empty, so it's not better look. So simply uncheck the box and then apply. So like that the box will be not appear in the template. I hope you understand. Thanks.